If you follow me over on X, excuse me guys, if you follow me over on X, at @𝘜𝘭𝘵𝘪𝘮𝘢, I posted earlier today, 11:30 a.m. my time, that I took a $600,000 Ethereum long trade. Okay, $50,000 of my own money margined at 12x leverage over on WEEX. Why did I take that trade? There's a few things. There's a few things going on today, this week, and actually for the next few weeks that are giving us a lot of tailwind, so to speak. We're going to go through the Ethereum news short term, what's going on right now with crypto advisor Czar David Sachs speaking today, by the way. You might have seen it at the time of watching, but we're going to explain what that all means. Job opening numbers, very important for markets. Talking about the money flow in the ETFs. Money flowing out of Bitcoin in this short-term period into Ethereum. We need to talk a bit about what Trump's administration doing, Eric Trump, but most importantly, we need to talk about, yes, what Bitcoin's doing, but the bullish technicals for Ethereum on the lower and the medium high time frame, guys. So hit that like button. Let's talk about it. So yeah, open this new long trade, 12x leverage. Obviously, I hold spot in the main way, but I'm using some of my portion of my crypto portfolio in Ethereum to open some leverage longs to take advantage of this bull market. Now, President Trump's crypto czar is going to hold. Let me start that again. He's going to hold a press conference. I can't speak today, guys. What the hell is wrong with me? Anyway, he's going to hold a press conference today at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's 7:30 p.m. UTC. And it's going to be about digital assets. And what we're expecting is some glimmer of hope of talking about a Bitcoin strategic reserve. It's very possible, let's say, that he could say the B word, okay? Very likely. He's going to be talking about AI. He's going to be talking about how, the digital ecosystem in finance, etc. So that's one to tune into today. Very, very important. He has previously said that NFTs and meme coins are collectibles, not securities. This is massive news. Also, the job opening numbers, a bit boring. Many people aren't going to be interested in this, but on the macro side of things, very, very important. The job opening numbers came in lower than expected. Let me just cut to the chase. What does it mean for crypto? Well, when you have lower, and by the way, this is my tweet from earlier today, you might have seen it, a lower than expected job openings report, which is what we got, it signals a cooling labor market. This can indicate economic slowdown. When you get a slowdown in the economy, it can increase the chance that the Fed will lower interest rates, stimulating growth. And right now we're in a situation where rates are likely being cut throughout the year. By how much and how frequent, that's the question. So money flowing out of Bitcoin into Ethereum, we kind of covered that. If you caught my video yesterday, I talked about Eric Trump's tweet. By the way, nearly 10 million people have seen this tweet. He said, in my opinion, it's a great time to add ETH. They're buying Ethereum. Let's talk about price action. First, we'll have a quick look at Bitcoin, and then we'll move on to the Ethereum technicals to show you what I'm looking at right now. So Bitcoin, we're back up in kind of that $100,000 range. We're kind of back down at $99,000. It's in a clear range. Everybody can see that. You don't need to be a technical analyst to see this clear range where we have support at 92k, we have resistance at 106, center line acting as resistance and support at 99,000, holding very strong, as you can see for now. So we're in this range. What does it mean for Ethereum? Well, the first thing I can see for Ethereum here is this line seems to be a new level of support. This $2,790. It's acting as resistance previously, now a support. You do have this kind of inverted head and shoulders pattern. This is very bullish because, when eventually Ethereum breaks out of this, you have this entire range of price action to break out. It's almost a 100% move. But first of all, we need to see what's going on the kind of lower time, not the lower time frame, but zoom in a bit. That's all I'm saying. Yesterday was insane. We had this kind of crazy 40% candle. We're back in this bull flag almost, this falling tightening wedge. And Ethereum is looking likely to get a breakout very, very soon. The first target out of here is this resistance level at 4K. It's a 42% move, guys. You know, I've got my trade open 12x leverage. If we get a move like that where you're talking about 42%, well, I'm on WEEX here. I'm 12x leverage, so that 42% becomes 450, 500%, whatever it is, very, very quickly. That's the power of you using leverage, of course. But on the higher time frame, on the weekly, look at this for Ethereum. We're back in this range, in this very, very important parallel channel that's been in action since the bottom of the bear market, June 22. We have touch points here, touch point, touch point, touch point, back in the zone. Really good to see. And the other pattern, clear pattern we have on the high time frame is this beautiful cup and handle pattern, and that will break to the upside. I have utter conviction. I have more videos on my conviction for 2025, 2026. Oh, by the way, check out my recent videos if you're interested. Of course, I made a futures trading tutorial, how you can learn how to leverage trade safely, responsibly using WEEX. It's a no KYC platform. I'll leave the link down below if you want to learn. Let me know if you're bullish. Don't forget to hit that bell. See you on a video very soon. Stay bullish, guys.